So hello and welcome back guys to my new YouTube video Discord reaction role with CrazyBot. So guys, in today's video I will tell you how you can make reaction role for a Discord server with CrazyBot. So guys, let's begin. So guys, you can check all of these commands on this command known as KAutoRole. Well, we will make the reaction role, so you can use these all commands. These are for different thingy like this one. If I type this, I will get this row. Well, I already have that row, so it removed it. If I type it again, then it will give me the row. You can make a custom reply here. So in reaction role, what we have to do is we will create a role menu with this k add menu test. Well, you can replace test with anything and make sure to make it in single argument like test or test hello. But if you will do something like test space hello, then it will be in two argument name. So make it in single one. So after you create a menu, it will provide you little bit of info how you can go further in it. So we will start with adding some roles. So we can add roles with this k add mr. Well, add mr. Mr refers to menu role. So after typing this, we have to give the role menu name, which is test. You can name it anything. So after you this, it will ask you to provide the role name or ID or mention the role. So instead of mentioning it or getting the ID, I will type the name. And then it asks us for a custom reply. So just make it something like, well, you can make it anything. I will just do, it is an custom reply. Well, so who cares about spelling? For white role and type done. So here it will ask us to provide a role. Well, sorry, not role, the emoji. So I will choose white for it. So now it says I will give white role when user will react with white emoji. So let's add some few more roles. So now if you want to remove the role, you can just do k remove mr. So well, before removing I will show you one thing. If you want to check what role and menu have, then you can do something like this. K menu role list and the menu name. So it will show all the role and the emojis. If you want to check all the menus, then you can do this K menu list. It will show these. And well, that's it. Let's try to remove the role. K remove menu role test. MR refers to menu role. And here we do red. And now if I do menu role list test, so it removed the red one. Alright guys, so we created the role menu. We can remove the roles, we can check all the roles, we can check all the menus. If you want to remove the menu, you can do this, where it is k remove menu. Alright, we have to provide the name too. See, I have an menu named verify. Well, I will remove it, and it removed the menu. Let's check it. So guys, this is how we can remove the menu. So now let's start with how the menu works. So guys, first of all, you have to type k create menu in the menu name test. Well, you can name it anything. So like you can see, it says role menu, the menu name, react to give yourself a role, and this. So if I react here, I will get the role. Let me check. I got the role. So bot messaged me. It is in custom reply for white role. So it can be in any reply, and you can use those parameters like mention to mention me, I mean the user who will get the role or something. But this looks pretty ugly. So if you want to fix this, you can do something like, well, you can make a custom reply like hello world, take the role if you want. Well, you can make anything here, like literally anything. And then what you have to do is copy the message ID. You have to open the developer mode. After this, you have to type k set menu, the menu name which is test, and the message ID. So as you can see, now if I react here, it don't work. But well, first let me remove the role. Okay, but if I react on this message, white circle, then it works. It gives the roles. So you understand that what we have to do is k set menu, the menu name, and the message ID, and you can make any custom reply. And like if you want something in an embed, so you can type k embed to create an cool embed. So now you can see this. So guys, it is almost done. Now there are a few extra things if you want to know, like you can set the menu maximum role limit. So if you type k menu max and the menu name and you type 1 or 2, then it creates a limit like if this menu, I have these three rows, if I have any one of them, so I cannot take more because the menu limit is 1. I already have one row, so if I react, it will say like I have a menu row limit, so please don't take the row. Well, so please you cannot take the role. But if I will remove the role, like I have the purple one, no, I have the red one, I removed it. Now I can take the role. Well, let's see. So guys, wait, I already have the role. So guys, let me check it. Blue. Oh, sorry guys, I already have the blue role. So let me remove it. Now let's see. So if I will react now, I will get the role. So guys, I reacted it and let's check it out. I got the purple role and bot messaged me. So guys, this is the menu max thingy. Like you can set the menu limit, the menu role limit. Well, there are a few more features, you can check them out. First of all, let's talk about K-menu ignore. In this, we can add ignored role for a menu. So guys, let me show you an example real quick. Let's begin guys. Well, K-menu ignore means that the user cannot take the role if they have some role. Alright. Menu ignore high. So if I do, let me think, white. Now this role menu have white as an ignored role. I have a white role, so let's try it. K create menu high. Okay, well I will fix that. I'll fix that. So if I react here now, I don't get the role because I am ignored by the bot. But if I remove the white role and also the green one, so if I react now bot will provide me the role. Just see, it gave me the green one. So we can remove it by K-menu remove ignore, sorry. And after this we can add K-menu required. This is like if you have this role, then you can access the role menu or something. Well, video is already too big, so sorry. Well, wait, who cares? K add menu by K add menu role. Well, we can do all of these things in a single menu, but I am making lot of menus because it is cool, bro. It is cool. Black and skip, and let's add another reaction. This one. Alright guys, so if I do K menu requi red required, what is the name, by. Alright, now let me think about a role red. So I don't have the red role. Alright, so K create menu by. Well, I will fix that. Well, this one came because of that command. I will fix it. So if I react now, what will happen is I didn't got the role, but bot said you are not allowed to take the role from this menu. Well, if I have the red role, let me show you. If I have the red role, red, and now if I will react, then it will work. Now I reacted and bot messaged me and boom, I got this role. So guys, that's how it works. You can remove it too with this K remove menu, K menu remove required and K menu remove ignore. So guys, that's how the reaction menu works. Don't forget about the K set menu and the menu name and the message ID. So guys, that's it for this video. If you want to invite the bot, I will provide you the link in the description. And thanks for watching, and please tell me which video you want for, well, which thing you want in the next video. Well, most probably I will make the video on the ticket tool. So goodbye guys, we'll meet you later in another one. Bitch, I'm not good for like I walk on water. I'm talking your bitch, that he like I'm a toilet. Walk with the Glock, I'm a fucker of all. Boy, out with his every place talking.